Hi everyone, welcome back to 5th episode of Utsav Kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the beautiful dish. So it's called Zaffrani chicken biryani. It is a dish from India, from Mughals. So before we start to make the biryani, so there's a couple of things you need to be focused on. So first thing is the marination of the chicken. Second thing is like the cooking procedure of the rice for the biryani. And the third thing is like frying the onion for the topping of the biryani, which is like should be like golden crispy color, so that it will give you a good texture at last while you present the food. So before you start, so let's make sure you have all the ingredients ready.
Fresh yogurt, chopped coriander, ginger and garlic paste, almonds, raisins, biryani masala, cashew nuts, saffron milk, some herbs, fresh herbs, soaked almond and cashew nuts, onions, coriander, cucumber, lemon, spices for the aromatic, saffron, fresh chicken, turmeric, coconut flakes, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, cumin seed, fresh chilies. So 500 gram of rice, basmati rice. Add a liter of water and leave it on the side to soak it up for 30 minutes. So let's prepare fried onion. So take around 3 to 4 fresh onion, chopped it thinly. Oil on a hot pot. Make sure the pot is hot. Pour out the onions. Make sure you have that beautiful brown color. Slowly mix it up. Make sure you don't burn it. After that, gently mix it up slowly. So when you get that brown color, crispy golden color, put it on the side. Strain it up and leave it on the side. Look at this beautiful onion.
Chicken. So first, take 1 kg of chicken thigh or whatever, you can use any chicken, but make sure you have good and nice pieces. Then after, it's time for some spices. So let's start with the ginger and garlic paste. 4 tablespoon. Three tablespoons of salt, 2 spoons of turmeric, 2 spoons of coriander powder, 1 spoon of whole cumin, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 2 spoons of garam masala, 1 spoon of chicken masala, 1 half spoon of biryani masala. And then we add some yogurt. Three to 4 spoons. Finely chopped coriander, half a cup. Finely chopped mint, half a cup as well. Almond and cashew paste that you made before, that we soak it and just grind it for the puree. Let's put it all. And this is a saffron with milk. So it's like a pinch, like a tablespoon of saffron with 4 to 5 spoons of milk, warm milk. So you mix it up and leave it on the side. So you can just use one full spoon of saffron milk, some pepper, one tablespoon of ghee,
around 2 spoons of lemon juice. Mix it up nicely. Look at the beautiful color. Mix it up. Add some fresh chili, green chilies, around 2. Mix it again. Add some curry leaves. Half a cup of fried onion. Look at that beautiful golden crispy onion. Again, mix it up. And leave it in the fridge for around an hour for the marination. Now it's time to cook the rice, but make sure you cook the rice just around 70%. Make sure it's not fully cooked for that beautiful texture. Cumin seed, some salt, add all the spices in, cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, spoon of ghee, add it to the water, mix it up. Look at the beautiful aromatic. Add rice on it, slowly, gently. The spices give the flavor to the rice. So cover it up, leave it. So your rice is ready. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of saffron milk. Mix it up. Nicely, and you can just strain it up and leave it on side. Look at that, beautiful. Now it's time for raita. Chop the cucumber very finely. Four to 5 spoon of yogurt. Salt, pinch of salt. Pinch of coriander powder. Fresh chopped herbs, mint and coriander. Spoon of lemon juice. Make sure you don't have the seed, otherwise it will make your flavor bitter. Mix it up nicely and your raita is ready. So you can put lemon zest on the top. So 3 to 4 spoon of oil in a preheated hot pot. Chicken in. Look at that beautiful chicken, marinated chicken. It will give you all the spices and that flavor. Pour it nicely, mix it up on a low heat. Cover it up, leave it to cook 10 minutes on a low heat. Look at that beautiful, delicious chicken. So after that, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it up nicely, gently. Cover it up. Put 2 spoons of biryani masala, some fresh coriander, mint, mix it up nicely. Smells so good. Make sure you cook it on a low heat so that you don't burn the chicken. Now it's time to put the rice. Put it in the top nicely. Some coconut flakes for this aromatic flavors, beautiful. Some almonds, some cashew nuts, some raisins, some fresh herbs, chopped coriander, chopped mint, three to 4 spoons of saffron mix with the milk on the top gently. Make sure the gas is on low heat. Now the exciting part, crispy fried onion on the top. Look at the beautiful golden color of the beautiful fried onion on the top, which gives a beautiful texture. Cover it up. Cook it on low heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. And your beautiful, delicious Zaffrani chicken biryani is ready. It's almost ready to be served. Look at that. Some fresh herbs on the top.
So this is how you make a beautiful, delicious Zaffrani chicken biryani. So this is how it looks like. So this is Zaffrani chicken biryani with raita on side. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So next video will be on lamb chops with chimichurri sauce. Till then, stay tuned, have a lovely day, stay safe. Thank you so much